I'm going to show you how to use objections. Objections are if you go up to a door and you start doing your spiel, and then they say that they need to talk to their spouse or wife, and then you can just go to objections right now. I already added one. Need to talk to my wife, and then you can create one, or you can go in this one and you can edit it. Let's go back to the home. So you can add objections to doors, visits. You can add them when they're new, or you can edit them later on. And then you can go into a door. I'll just create a new door real quick. Then just do 1, 2, 3. Let's see something. And let's go to John Doe. And then they enter the door, a potential client, you leave a door hanger, and then I go down to objection and just click that one. And then now you can pick a status real quick. And I'll just say, got an appointment. And loading. And then let's go to John Doe. And you will see the objection right here. And that's how you use objections. Thank you. Have a great day.